morning, students. Today we will learn our lesson number 3, our continuation of our lesson number 3, that is an introduction to Word 2016. In that, in the first part, we have learned 4 important tabs on the ribbon. Now we'll look the next 4 tabs on the ribbon. So, which are they? First is your layout tab. Now, what is the layout tab? It consists of 3 groups: the page setup, paragraph, and arrange. But basically, we use paragraph and page setup. Now, what is the first option in the page setup? Margins. Now, margins means if you want to remove the print out, first you have to look at the margin, that your margin is correct from the left, right, top, and bottom or not. Okay, so you have to adjust, because on the left side you have to punch or you have to staple it. So for that you need a more space. On the right hand side you can take some less space, bottom some less space, and at the top. So according to your matter you have to take your margins. Second one is your orientation. Now in the orientation, what is the orientation? Orientation has 2 ways, that is portrait and landscape. Now what is the portrait? Portrait means it will come like this, and landscape means it will come, your text will show you like this. So if your matter is in the, if the height is more, then you can take the portrait orientation. And if your matter is like this, suppose if you want to make a sheet table, roll number, GR number, date of birth, admission, which date, so student's name, address. So for that more space you need, so at that time you need a landscape one, correct? So you have to choose landscape orientation for that. So according to your matter you have to select it. Columns, if you want to divide in the columns, see in the newspaper you can see the columns are being divided. Okay, so according to that. Then indent, spacing between the paragraph or spacing between the lines. Okay, so you can give it from the paragraph option. Next one, you will learn about the mailings. Now what is the mailings? Here the options are create, start, mail, merge. Okay, now what is the mailing? अलग, सपोज सी, अलग अगर आपको लेबल्स प्रिंट करना है तथा नई लिस्ट बनाना है एक साथ, और आपको कई लोगों को उसको भेजना है लेटर तैयार करके, तो उसके लिए एनवलप का प्रिंट अगर आपको निकालना है तो ये मेल मर्ज का ऑप्शन आपको बहुत ज़रूरी है. मीन्स व्हाट? फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ़ यू आर सेंडिंग द इनविटेशन कार्ड of your birthday to all your friends, so for sending it you need a different names because your friends names are different, then the different addresses because they are staying in different places, but the matter in the body part is the same. So for that purpose, if you use this function mail merge, it will be very much easy to send the letters, and from here you can directly send your letters, okay, to your friends. Now next one is your review tab. Now review tab means it is a proofing group. Proof, जैसे आप आपका पेपर प्रूफ रीडिंग करते हो एक बार लिखने के बाद, या फिर टीचर क्वेश्चन पेपर बनाने के बाद उसको प्रूफ रीडिंग करते हैं, मतलब उसमें कुछ गलत है क्या, ओके, इफ एनीथिंग इज रॉन्ग और नो. ओके, सो फॉर दैट पर्पस इट इज़ द प्रूफिंग ग्रुप. It checks your spellings and mistakes, and in one you will show you thesaurus, means it will show you the meaning of it, if any word you are selecting it, okay, and you want the meaning of it, so you can get it from the thesaurus option. And word count, so if you want to count your words, how much words you have written, so you can select that much and you can go directly to this option. You will see on the status bar the word count of it. Okay, now the next one is your view tab. व्यू से आपको पता चलता है कि उसके डिफरेंट व्यूज़ कौन से हैं, जैसे कि रीड मोड है, प्रिंट लेआउट है, वेब लेआउट है. Now what is this layouts? Okay, if you want to read whatever you are written, okay, so for that read mode is there. But if you want to remove the print out of your paper, so for that purpose you don't need the read mode or web layout mode or a normal mode. For that purpose you need a print layout mode. Why print layout mode? Because you can see in the print layout that how you will get the print of your paper whatever you have typed. जो भी आपने टाइप किया है वो आपको पेपर पे कैसा दिखेगा, वो प्रिंट लेआउट में ही आपको दिखेगा और वहाँ से ही आपको मार्जिन्स वगैरह एडजस्ट करना है. फ्रॉम देयर ओनली you can do the margin setup. In the first layout option I had shown you that. Okay, the page setup. Correct. Now zoom 50%, 60% till 100% you can make your page zoom. Ruler, if you don't want the ruler, see here ruler option is there. If you don't want that ruler, you can click on that ruler option. Okay, correct. Now here in the arrange option, new window, if you want a new window while writing only, if you want the second window new, then you can click on the arrange option, new window. Okay, if you are taken suppose 2 to 3 windows open at same time, so if you want to arrange it side by, you can click on arrange all. And third one is split, means in one document if you want two parts, so you can split your document from that part. Okay, this is the view tab. Now tell me, this is the new feature of Word 2016. It's just like a search option. Now what is the search option? It is the search option of the ribbon. Means if you don't know what any options, where is the shapes, where is the insert picture, where is the word art, where is the font. So for that purpose, if you'll directly write on that uh, in the tell me option, sorry, if you'll directly write in the tell me option here, now see they are written insert picture, so directly the option has came down insert pictures. If you will type word art, so it will show you directly here word art option. Sign and share. Now here from here you can directly create it, edit it and share your presentation or share your document to anybody you want. Okay, so for that purpose you need to sign in first. Next one is you're typing a text. Now typing a text, you are typing the text. If you want the space in between, then you have to click on the space bar key. If you want to go to the next line, then you need a enter key. You have to press the enter key. So these are some common rules for that. Okay, now your cursor is there. Wherever your cursor will be there, from there you have to start writing it. Okay, with the help of mouse click or with the help of arrow click also you can go up and down or side by wherever you want. Now next one you will look, that is creating a new document. Now creating a new document, the shortcut key for that is Ctrl plus N. From the keyboard if you want to press it, if you feel easy from the keyboard, then you have to press Ctrl plus N, both at the same time. A file is created in Word, it is called known as a document. It consists the information that we have typed. Now if you want a new one, then you have to click on the file option, file tab, then see here new, see it's showing in dark new, and after clicking on new, see here arrow is shown, here you have to click on the blank document, or on the quick access toolbar you can click on the new option. Correct. Next one is you're saving a document. See, after you have completed typing, you have to save the document on the computer, because when a document is saved, it can be opened or modified anytime later. सेव एज का एक यूज़ है कि अगर आपने एक बार सेव किया, मतलब अगर उसको आपको कभी भी एडिटिंग करना है, मतलब अगर आपको लग रहा है कि आपकी कहाँ तो गलती हो गई है स्पेलिंग लिखते वक्त या फिर पैराग्राफ छोड़ते वक्त, तो आप उसको दूसरे दिन या तीसरे दिन आके कभी भी उसको एडिटिंग कर सकते हैं, और you can modify it by opening the file. Okay, so here for saving a document you have to same procedure, file tab, but instead of the new option you have to click on the save as option. Now after save as option, see here, after this save as option, here you will it will show you OneDrive, this PC, add a place or browse. So you have to click on the browse option, or OneDrive means if you have to send it personally or by with the help of email, but browse means you will get that in which drive you have to save, आपको कौन से ड्राइव में उसको सेव करना है, DE. ओके, सो डिफ़ॉल्ट वो डॉक्यूमेंट में सेव होता है, अगर आपको एक पर्टिकुलर ड्राइव में सेव करना है तो आपको सिलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा ब्राउज ऑप्शन से. ओके, अंडरस्टूड. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज योर क्लोजिंग अ डॉक्यूमेंट. सो फॉर दैट the shortcut key is Ctrl plus W. Close, only closing your document. Okay, so for the same procedure, file tab and see here last close. So you close with your window document. Once you have completed your work in Word and saved the document, you need to close the Word. So, or you can directly press the close button in the top right corner of the title bar. Okay, thank you.